What's going on, all you motor coach gurus? This is Nigel, Holiday Coach Sales, here with a special treat for you. Today I present to you a 1997 MCI 102 DL3. This coach was originally owned and operated by a reputable company here in the state of North Carolina. As you can see, the body is in excellent condition. This coach comes with a fresh paint job. All the tires, as you can see, have great tread. Once again, with this coach being originally from North Carolina, it has virtually no rust on it. And taking a look at the heart of the coach, power in this coach is a Detroit engine Series 60 paired to an Allison B500R transmission with a retarder. Just take a listen to it. This is a gutted coach, so as you can see, the bathroom holding tanks have been removed. Now, taking a look on the inside, I know this is going to look a little different from what you're used to, but this is what a completely gutted coach looks like on the interior. The overheads have been removed, the floor and seats have been stripped, and as you can see, the back wall and restroom has been taken out as well. A high-quality wood subfloor has been installed. This is not the original subfloor that came with the coach. I have personally driven this coach myself, and it rides phenomenal. That Series 60 has a lot of power. If you are interested in this coach, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 336-808-0320. And while you're at it, please head over to our website at holidaycoachsales.com to shop our wide selection of Prevost, MCI, Van Hool, and more.